A home should do more than just house your life. It should elevate how you live every single day. Welcome to the Huntsville. At 2,242 square feet, this modern single-story monoslope home is a masterclass in balance, seamlessly blurring the lines between indoor comfort and outdoor living. Step inside, and you're greeted by generous vaulted ceilings that frame the open-concept living space, filling every room with natural light and thoughtful functionality. Designed for both quiet, everyday moments and grand gatherings, the interior flows effortlessly from the heart of the kitchen out to the surrounding private spaces. Featuring 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, every square foot is optimized for privacy, tranquility, and refined style. But what truly sets this layout apart is its incredible connection to nature. With over 821 square feet of total porch space, including a secluded 209 square foot screened porch, your evening wind down or morning coffee always comes with a front row seat to the outdoors. Contemporary architectural design meets effortless living. Explore the full floor plan in the description below. Here at DH Design, our mission is creating homes rooted around the family table. Please make sure to like and subscribe